Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the footage and project so keying works reliably. Import your green screen clip and any background media, then create a 16:9 project. Place the green screen clip on the timeline and trim to the exact segment you'll use. This minimizes processing time. Once done, duplicate the green clip or place the replacement background on a layer beneath it so you can see the composite while you adjust. Make sure lighting is uniform. Inconsistent light causes edge artifacts when you chroma key. You now apply and refine the chroma key to remove the green cleanly. Select the clip, add the chroma key effect, and pick the green color if it's not auto-selected. Increase tolerance to remove more green, but watch for transparency eating into hair or props. Reduce tolerance if that happens. Then tweak edge feathering to soften hard edges and use spill removal to neutralize green reflections on the subject. If artifacts remain, use crop or soft mask to hide problem areas while keeping the You finish by previewing and exporting a clean composite. Scrub the timeline and render previews to catch motion blurs or edge flicker, then export using H.264 MP4 at a suitable bitrate for quality. If you see green spill, adjust spill removal or slightly reduce tolerance. If edges still look jagged, reopen the original clip and apply a tiny edge feather or reshoot with more separation from the background. One key troubleshooting tip: inconsistent lighting is the most common cause. Fix lighting first before aggressive keying adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.